fans should be in awe as a result of the delicious of aristocrat William and Kate Middleton cake. Instruction has been announced. The cake was only one of the delicious treats served shortly once William and Kate became husband and partner. Aristocrat William, currently 39, and his wife Kate Middleton, additionally 39, tied the knot at Westminster Abbey on April 29, 2011. The Cambridge's wedding cake recipe was unconcealed by the Royal Assortment Trust over the weekend. In their post on Twitter, RCT said, "If you are baking a reception this weekend, why not do this delicious cake instruction? RCT, that takes care of the Queen collection and public visits to the company residence, represented William and Kate cake as a really simple to make and a really delicious treat. Luxury as they share the recipe on social media. It was one among two cakes created to celebrate the Duke and Peeress of Cambridge wedding in 2011. And in keeping with RCT recipe, the aspirant royal baker wants simply *FR1 an hour of spare time and 6 ingredients to dish to 8 folks a slice of cake. To bake you may need 115 grams unseasoned butter, 225 grams wealthy tea biscuits, softened, 115 grams unrefined small grain sugar, total 240 grams sliced bittersweet chocolate and 125 grams whipped cream, 2 tablespoons heat water. The Duke and Peeress of Cambridge additionally baked a Welsh wedding cake. The harp and also the Welsh dragon may be seen on the lowest 2 tiers of the cake. On the highest 2 floors, bakers other the couple initials and aristocrat William crest. Rather than adding W and K to the cake, the chef's perennial the W around the C for Catherine. However, it additionally prompted fans of the studio to demand RCT to reveal a lot of royal recipes within the future. The royal recipes are terribly distinctive and attention-grabbing. Please attempt them out and touch upon the results. Bear in mind to follow the channel to update the most recent news regarding the royal house.